Hello friends, today I am going to introduce a new make money online tactics. You no need of any skills to make money by this method. This website will provide lot of YouTube videos. You just want to go there or watch it and earn money. This is supported in worldwide. We can operate this technique in both PC and mobile. It's a legit website. The payment options are through PayPal, WebMoney, Payoneer, like that. A lot of payment options are there. So friends, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and never miss any update about how to make money online. So we can get started. First of all, we just paste the URL on the Google Chrome and go to that website. This is the interface that we can see when we enter into the website. We do earn money by watching new videos online. When we scroll down, we can see that a referral program is also provided there. You can just refer to your friends and make $1 as a profit, and they will receive a sign-up bonus of $5. So that you should make sure that you use my referral link that I have provided in the description box. Use that link to go to the website, so that only you will receive a $5 sign-up bonus. Otherwise you will not receive any bonus. These all are the companies that they are providing the service. Now just we can go to that sign-up process. This is a very simple sign-up process. Please enter your name, first name, then last name. Then give date of birth and next gender, then email address and give a password. Then we need to fill a captcha required. Just fill it. Fill the captcha. After entering the captcha, please click on the button create account. Now we enter into the page. We can see that we have received $5 as a sign-up bonus. This will receive only after you enter through a referral link. So make sure that you use my referral link that I have provided in my description box. You just go through it. We can see that a lot of videos have been published on that website. So just click on one video. We can decrease the quality of the video and also increase the speed to complete the video more faster. Sometimes the video can be 1 minute or more. You just want to complete only 34 seconds. Then you will receive your payment. Click the complete button. Successfully completed. You received 0.61 cents. We can see that. Just refresh it. It has been added up to the account balance. Try to complete all the videos that have been provided there, so that only you can increase your earnings. Just click on the video and you want to complete only 34 seconds. Then you will receive the payment. Successfully completed and you have received 0.47 cents. Now just watch other video and you can see that this have been increased to 6.4 within minutes. We have just started with $5 and it increased to $6.5. Next we can go to referral program. We can see that the referral link is provided there. Use this link to refer to your friends and make them to enter through the referral link, so that you will earn a $1 as a referral commission. Use this link to share on Facebook or Twitter or WhatsApp and make friends to enter through that link. Next we can go to withdrawal section. We can see that Western Union is provided there. web money, Payoneer, PayPal. These are the payment methods that they have provided: web money, Payoneer, etc. 80 USD, 100 USD, 180 USD, like that. A lot of payment section. I am using PayPal so that you require a minimum of $80. Then only you can withdraw from this website. So I think you all have received a good information about this website wintub. Try to watch all the videos and you will receive a good amount every day. So thank you, friends.